You need some big jackets on top of that.
Oh my gosh.
Graduation
yeah,
garb is
bundle
not
up.
going to cut it, right?
I hope they're all indoors, right? And just getting in and out of the house is going to be a challenge on Sunday for a lot of folks. You're going to maybe be hit by that blast of cold air and be like, nope, that's all right, I'm not going out. Well, we've got that beautiful air tomorrow in place for you. Ridge of high pressures moving in right now. Our temperatures were on the chilly side today. We've only made it into the 30s and 40s, officially just now in Greensboro at 40 degrees. But looking at the temperatures right now, you're down at 37 in Winston-Salem. We have a cold at 37 in Burlington, 40 in Troy, 38 degrees in Pittsboro, and 31 in West Jefferson. Tomorrow, we start out cold and we stay pretty chilly at least for a couple of hours before the sun is up, and then we're back to 30s by about 9 a.m. and hopefully in the 40s by around 10 a.m. So it does warm up a little bit better for us tomorrow. 55 degrees, light winds, and their winds tomorrow are going to be out of the southwest, so it's going to feel pretty good. You'll notice that change by middle of the morning. You're like, oh, this isn't so bad. And the sun's staying up with us. It's dry. 26 degrees in the morning in the foothills to near 54 for an afternoon high. And for folks in the mountains, we start out at 26, warming to 47 degrees. You'll see a few more clouds at times mixing in, but otherwise still a nice day there too. Here's what's happening out there. We've got a front that'll hang out with us tomorrow afternoon, becoming stationary. Could produce a little bit more cloud cover, at least some higher clouds. And then we have 50s. It's a nice day. Winds generally out of the west and southwest. Mountains too have 40s. You'll see some peaks of sunshine before the front arrives. That front gets there late Saturday night, and eventually that cold air starts to catch up with everyone. By early Sunday morning, things are changing. We may even get a quick burst of light snowfall on the western slopes if we can lift that moisture up and let it sit. We'll see temperatures there dropping pretty quickly into the 20s by early morning on Sunday. Meantime, you're above freezing to near freezing on Sunday morning. And then as that cold air just begins to continually pump in from the north, we see forecast wind chills just bottom out. It's going to be really cold. Sunday morning feeling like 6 degrees with a forecast wind chill there in Galax at 6, 7 in Sparta. Feeling like the 20s across the Tri by 6 a.m. But by the afternoon, when we typically hit our afternoon highs, we are cold. That cold air is just rushing right in. We've got gusts out there at 20 to 25 miles an hour. You feel like 17 in Greensboro around 3 o'clock on Sunday. Also Burlington feeling more like 10 in Mount Airy, 5 below in Sparta, and it only gets worse through the evening hours on Sunday night. So we're talking about needing face masks, that kind of thing, goggles if you're going to go skiing. And if you're traveling at all, make sure you have your thermal blanket in the car, warm gear, ready to go, ways to keep warm if you break down on the side of the road, especially heading 77 north and 81 out there toward areas of Virginia and West Virginia where we have some weather concerns. Look at these wind chill values though by Sunday evening. Single digits possible for the Triad too. And then we start to see the winds set down by Monday morning, but temperatures are still dropping. We're down to near 9 degrees by morning in the mountains, near 14 degrees for temperatures on Monday morning as the winds finally relent. Now, you can see that Arctic blast bringing in just a hint of snow for the western slopes late tomorrow night. And then Sunday, the cold air really sets in. But just want to hit home for you, the hypothermia risks do rise as we go into the mountains. Bitter cold wind chills 5 to 15 below. Great news is that our 7-day forecast is looking much warmer. So we stretch out from the 18th just before the Christmas holiday with likelihood of seeing temperatures at least above normal for this time of the year. So anything above the 50s will be good news. We get to go in though, as we mentioned, tomorrow from 27 to near 55, a nice southwesterly breeze. Let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. We've got 38 degrees on your Sunday. It is blustery. The winds are up. You feel like the teens by the afternoon. Temperatures continue to drop. You're down to 14 Monday morning. Winds are dropping though, so that's the good news on Monday. We swing to 49 on Tuesday, so we start to get a little bit warmer then. Sunshine on Wednesday with mid to upper 50s, low 60s likely on Thursday. Nice warm up, it's breezy, and then back to the low 50s on Friday, which is near normal for this time of the year. So getting you closer to where we should be. Highs typically at 53 this time of the year. Saturday is going to feel great, low to mid 50s tomorrow.